Hey guys, how are all my hair comrades today? Rick here, and today I want to talk about something that's really important to all of us hair wearers, or those of you who are thinking about jumping in the game. Hold on, we're going to answer some questions. I'll be right back. Okay, so back in the game. Today I have been out and about. Tomorrow is Easter, or actually Sunday is Easter, 2 days from now. This is Friday afternoon. And so I was the one elected to go to the grocery store, and it was a madhouse, I'll tell you that for sure. But I just wanted to report some things. Here's a question. I want to just ask you, does this hair look fake? You know, when you look at it up close and personal, does this hair look fake? Yeah, no. Well, so I think the obvious answer is no, it looks completely natural. I had a client early this morning who is a first-time system wearer. He came in for my consultation and we made a lot of decisions, and he's never even seen a hair system or ever had one, held one in his hand, or didn't know anything about it at all. But he's tired of being bald. And so he walks in and he says, "That doesn't look fake at all." I said, "Well, I don't think it does." He said, "No, I was expecting to come over here." He drove an hour to get to me, so that was fortunate. And he said, "I was expecting to get over here, and after watching all your videos, to think, nah, it looks great in the videos, but it doesn't really look that good in person." And he said, "But here's the thing, it looks better in person even than it does in the videos." I am astounded. So what can I do? So I began to explain to him the process and the journey. You know, we did the consultation this morning, made all the decisions about the unit he needs, his very active lifestyle, the demands that he has for it, talked about bonds, glues, ghost bond, ultra hold, all of the stuff, and the process and the training and the teaching he gets when he comes for his appointment in a few weeks. So after that, I left, and I had to, like I said, go to the grocery store, a madhouse for sure. And I got stopped I don't know how many times. And I never miss an opportunity. If someone says something about my hair, well, I have to be honest with you. This hair's glued on my head. I'm as bald as an egg, and they're always astounded by that. So the point of this video is really to encourage you. Listen, these things can look 100% completely natural. They don't have to look fake. The things that are important about it that cannot be gotten around is the cut-in is vital to how it looks on your head, how the blend is around the sides and around the back. And I get lots of people say, "Rick, turn around so we can see the back." So I'm going to try to do that for you here, see if I still stay in the frame. There we go. So I didn't look at the back. I hope it looks good. Normally it does. So the cut-in's vitally important. You get a bad cut-in, you're gonna have a bad wig on your hands. You get a bad hair system. I can usually take something and make it work, but man, it just helps if you've got something quality to use. And with super hair pieces, the good part of it is you are getting a quality system at a really good price, They have gone up a little bit in price over the year, but you know, there again, what hasn't, right? I know my prices have had to go up. I've had increased overhead, all of that, but it's okay. You know, we're gonna make it. We're going to live through it all. And so if you are a person who is on the fence and you're trying to debate, should I or shouldn't I? Well, of course, my vote, obviously, is that you should. The before and afters that I've had are just amazing. But I've had people say, I will be out and I will say, oh my gosh, look at that guy's hair. And it's obvious that he's wearing a toupee. And so I say this to them. I said, okay, you have a bad taste in your mouth, if you will, about toupees or hair systems, as we like to say, simply because of this. You only notice the bad ones. If you see me out and about, you are not going to say, oh, look how great that guy's hair system looks. No, you're just going to say, man, that guy's got good looking hair, right? Yeah, so don't let that be a deterrent. The guy that I had and talked with this morning, like I said, he's very, very active, plays a lot of pickleball, and he said, I sweat, and it's just, and of course, I'm repeating myself here, but I do all kinds of things, do the yard, wax the car, get on a motorcycle, get in the ocean, all of those things. And I assured him this morning, as long as I've got walkers that's holding it on, I don't have a thing to worry about, and neither will you. It stays right in place, and I don't give it a second thought. The wind just blows it around on my head. I run my hands through it, and it's just all perfect. Now, this past summer, you may have seen the video that I put out talking about Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond never worked for me until, for some odd reason, this past winter. And I decided to try it because I'd gotten some in the mail and try it. And for 5 to 7 days, it just worked. And so I've been doing that this winter, but I can already tell in the summer heat that I'm probably not going to be able to. I'm still going to see what it does in the heat. But if I'm going to the beach or I'm getting in the pool, it's going to be Walker's Ultra Hold every time because it takes all the guesswork out of it. So guys, hey, look, call me up if you need some help, if you want to talk, if you need a consultation. I can really put you at ease. The guy this morning, I got tickled at him. He got so excited after we talked for 45 minutes. He said, man, I'm sold. I'm sold. After holding it in my hand, after seeing it up close and personal on your head, count me in. And so we scheduled him an appointment, and he's going to come in about 3 weeks, and he's going to be a happy camper when he leaves. He's pretty conservative, and so he wanted to talk about that because, I am not. But I will say that this is about as conservative as I get right here. This is pretty doggone conservative. As a matter of fact, my wife said this morning, because I just attached this morning, she looked at me and went, conservative. I said, well, you never know. You never know. Next time you'll see me, it'll be up to here. We'll just have to see. Anyway, so guys, hey, go check out the videos on the High Level Man. If you have questions, drop me the question in the comments. If you'd like to come see me, I'm in Cleburne, Texas. That's Central Texas. It's about an hour south of Dallas. I've just been amazed at guys getting on planes and coming down and getting hair on their head. So it's been a joy and a pleasure and a treat. And I suppose the bottom line for it all is there's not a one of us that don't want to be happy. And us guys can be pretty macho about that. We don't want anybody to know what we go through to try to look good, but we want to look good. And it's just normal. I know that I could leave this house without any styling done to my facial hair, with a bald head, and leave in my gym shorts and my tank top and tennis shoes. And I'd be perfectly comfortable doing that. I'd avoid a mirror at all cost. And I'll tell you this, I could leave this house and go out like that, and not a soul who knows me would recognize me, because my transformation is so dramatic from the before and afters. You can see that on the channel. But there's not a one of us that don't want to look good. We certainly want to feel good. We want to take vitamins and get all kinds of nutrients and minerals to make the most of our diet so that we can be vibrant. And here's the caveat for me. Holy smoke. So like in May, I am going to be like 70 stinking freaking years old. I don't even know how that happened. Man, You guys that are my age are going to relate to this. And you guys who are younger, remember this. I was 30 yesterday. Literally, I was. And so there is not a time that I don't want to drain every bit of life I can get out of the years that I have left. And you may hear my dog barking in the background. I guess I got a little loud. But I don't want to just meander along. I don't want to just barely get by. I don't want to be on barely get along street. I don't want that to be my address. I don't want to be sad. I don't want to be depressed. And I will tell you, the past 6 months for my wife and I, we have had a lot that could take us down that we could be depressed about. We could. But I'm telling you, here's the key. I'm going to disallow all of those thoughts. I am going to not ask myself when I get up in the mornings, well, Rick, how do you feel today? I am going to ask myself, well, Rick, what do you believe today? What are you going to accomplish today? What's your attitude going to be like today? And I'm going to embrace the day from that attitude of the I can, I will, and I've always been a bit like this. I may be about to turn 70 years old, but don't you dare tell me I can't, because I will prove you wrong. Yeah! All right, guys. Hey, listen, I could go on and on. You know, I don't have any trouble talking, but I don't want to keep you up. We've been 11 minutes and 18 seconds. I think that's just good. Come on, go to Super Hair Pieces, look at the website, check out all their things. Call me and let me know what I can do for you. If you will email me at thehighlevelman@gmail.com, and we can chat and set something up, and we can partner together, and we can live life to its fullest, and we can tell those people who talk against us, who speak against us, that say we can't, you just hide and watch, because I'm doing it. I don't know if I have 10 years left, 20 years left, or 5 years left, or 4 days left. Which one of us know that? But if it's just 4, I'm living them. I'll tell you right now, I'm living them. And you can too. Let's do this. Thank you, Super Hair Pieces. Ha ha, yay for you. You've opened all these avenues and all these doors and have given me a lot of confidence and have helped me look a whale of a lot better. And I'm no longer embarrassed to be walking alongside my very beautiful redheaded wife. And so she likes it too. Anyway, Rick here, peace out, signing out. Say something to me. I'd like to hear from you. Take care now. Bye. You got hair. H-I-I.